Identified miscreants have reportedly carried out a bomb attack at the residence of Imphal College Principal Mariambam Chandra at Sangaipro Maning Laikai. The incident occurred at around 1:30 a.m. this morning. Meanwhile, Sangaipro Apunbanupi Lup, Sangaipro Naharol Club and Sangaipro Young Development Committee took out a sit-in at Sangaipro Community Hall condemning the bomb attack incident. Speaking on the sideline of the protest, President of Sangaipro Apunbanupi Lup Sanasam Ombi Radhesham Devi urged groups to stop carrying out bomb attack at residential areas. She also appealed for peaceful settlement of any disagreement through dialogue.
Ibaki asi yona waraba siraba matam sida sumaina nupi angang leiriba yungi mi leiriba mayam loi maksibu hekta keno tawdaba gai taipta hekta mawong hekta mokoi ne hekta langjang khojana na tawramba haibase akhoi aduki meting nungaite ngasina gari thoktoino hayeng na gari thoktoino habise akhoi kaimta tamba ngamdri cheirak sida masak khangdaba kanggu kharana sakhangdaba kharana bom langjinglama haibase akhoi Sangaipro Apunbanupi Lupi maikai dagi aduki meting condemn tawi asi matung manawdasu biganu karigumba wari sabi ningba taragadi thokpiro mayam changa kansina kaino do akhoi khanasi adudi na dadana migi punsibu migi imung amabu life pu hita temsingna ba haibase akhoi aduki meting nongai jate